Hello everyone. Today, I will use a video to teach you how to enable communication between the BMS and the Deye inverter. Set all dip switches on the battery pack to the on position. Insert one end of the communication cable included with the battery pack into the COM port on the battery pack. And insert the other end into the BMS port on the inverter. Select the COM protocol Deye through the display screen. Select Deye. Click Right. The battery pack is now set up. Now start setting up the inverter. First, set the battery type to lithium battery mode. Then set the protocol code to 00. At this point, all settings are complete.